All right, YouTube, here's another one. This time it's for my beautiful Hoover Convertible. Gotta love it. Nice little mocha looking type of caramel, lemon, fudge looking, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but it's beautiful. It's my Hoover Convertible. Very powerful machine. This was also one of the ones that I got from that garage sale last September. It's been quite some time since this one had a video as well, so here you go. Very great machine. I believe this one is from, I want to say the 80s, maybe even the 70s. Who knows? Let's find out. Let's see here. There's the information for it. Oh, I was hella off. I was way off. This one is from 1992. Wait a minute, hold on. My bad, it's from 72. Wow. It's from 1972. There's the serial number. It's from 1972. This thing is old, but it's still in great condition. There's the amps. It's a 4.3 amp. It's a belt 49258. There's all the extra information if you want to read that. It's model U4119 Hoover cleaner. Nice. In the bag it take is a Type C. Made in the US of A. Beautiful. And this one comes from Ohio. Damn. I will be honest, I did not know that this machine was from the 70s. I figured probably maybe 80s or early 90s, but no. It is in fact from 1972. Hoover Convertible, up close and personal. Beautiful machine. With that being said, let's take her for a spin. There's your power switch. And they really didn't make these cords very long. As you can see, it goes from there. You make like a little snake right there, and then boop, that's it. So yeah, they made these cords pretty short back then, but it's all good. I like the fancy bag. All right. For that thing to be from 72, it look and sounds amazing in my own opinion. Wow. Like, wow. Just, wow. Yeah, that's definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. Most definitely. I might do another video. I don't know, we'll see. I gotta start getting ready to go to bed here soon. I gotta work in the morning. And yeah. Here comes another long week ahead of me. So I don't know. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm out. Peace.